Welcome to this gentle yoga flow. Today's practice is designed for all levels, and it's really perfect for those days when you're looking for a slower, more relaxing practice to access that state of deep relaxation, deep rest. So set out your mat and let's begin in all fours position. Keep your hands about shoulder width apart, knees hip width distance apart. And then as you inhale, arch the spine, lift the chin up, and then exhale, dome the back, chin to chest. And then continue, finding your own rhythm here. Inhaling on the way up, and exhaling as you dome the back and bring the chin to your chest. Last round. And then come to neutral position. And then bring the left foot out of the mat and step the right foot back. As you inhale, extend the right arm up, and then exhale, reach the right arm up and over the head, elongating from the right heel all the way to your right fingertips. And then inhale, reach the right arm up, coming all the way up to a kneeling position. Right hand to the right leg. Inhale, extend the left arm up, and then exhale, lean over to the right side for gate pose. And then release, returning back to all fours position. And then bring the right foot off the mat, step the left foot back. Inhale, extend the left arm up. And when you're ready, exhale, reach the left arm over your head towards the front of the mat, lengthening the entire left side of your body. And then inhale, reach the left arm up. Come up to kneeling on your right knee, left hand to the left leg. Inhale, extend the right arm up. And then exhale, enter gate position. And then exhale, release, returning to all fours on your hands and knees. And then inhale, extend the right arm up. And exhale, thread it through without lowering the shoulder to the ground. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, thread it through. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Inhale, reach up, and then exhale, release. Switching sides, inhale, extend the left arm up, and then exhale, thread it under, shoulder hovering in the air. Inhale, reach. Exhale, thread it through. Inhale, and exhale. Two more times, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, reach out, and then exhale, release to all fours. And from all fours position, tuck your toes under and slowly shift the hips back and up into downward facing dog. Feel free to walk your feet a few times, finding your own pace. And then with the next inhale, come forward to plank position. And exhale, push back into downward facing dog. Again, inhale, glide forward to plank. And exhale, shift back to downward facing. One more time, inhale, come forward. And exhale, shift back. And then with your next inhale, step the right foot forward in between your hands and lower the left knee down to the floor. Come up with the torso, interlace the fingers, and support your hands on your thigh. And then shift the hips forward and down. And you could stay here, or as an alternative, you can reach the arms up, flipping the palms up to the sky and extending the elbows. And then release. Bring both hands to the floor on the inside of your right leg. And you might need to walk that foot a little bit more out to the side to make room for the torso. You could stay here supported on your hands or lower onto your forearms. One more breath. And then climb back up onto your hands and step back to all fours position. Tuck your toes under and arrive back in downward facing dog. With your next inhale, step the left foot forward to the front of the mat. Lower the right knee. Climb up, interlacing the fingers, hands on the thigh, shift the hips forward and down. And as an option, extend the arms up, flipping the palms up to the sky. And then release. Bring both hands to the mat. Walk the left foot to the edge of your mat to make room for your torso. And either stay here supported on your hands or lower onto your forearms. One last breath. And then climb back up and step the left foot back, tuck your toes under, and come to downward facing dog. One breath here. And then lower the knees down to the floor. Keep them wide apart. Bring the big toes together and then shift the hips back towards your heels. Walk the hands forward and bend the elbows. Press the palms together, and you could walk the elbows a little bit farther forward and closer towards each other, and then lower the forehead down to the floor. Fingers point up towards the sky. And then release. So you inhale, come up to sitting, swing the legs forward, and then open your legs wide apart for a wide straddle position. Bring the left heel in towards the groin, and then right hand comes beside your leg. Inhale, extend the left arm up, and then exhale, lean over to your right. And you could support your elbow on the top of your leg and then rest your head in your hand. Inhale, come up. Bring that left hand behind you and then slowly start shifting the hips forward and up, coming to a kneeling position in your left leg, and then extend the right arm back behind you. And then release. Again, returning to that wide straddle position, then bend the right knee, bringing the right heel to the groin, left hand to the floor. Inhale, extend the right arm up, and then exhale, lean to your left. And if comfortable, bring the head to your hand to relax here as you keep reaching all the way through the right fingertips. And then release. Bring the right hand behind you. Then shift the hips forward and up. And when you're ready, reach the left arm back behind you. And then release. Bring the soles of your feet together, leaving a good chunk of space between your heels and the groin. Then inhale as you prepare, and exhale, fold forward towards your feet. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, release. And then feel free to rest a few moments in Shavasana. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. And I can't wait to see you in the next class.